Hi there, this is Gomolemo Sibeko. I am currently in my penultimate year of LLB and I completed a BA in Law and Political Studies in 2019. I'm running for the role of Chairperson and the General Executive Committee of Law House. Votes open from the 14th of October to the 16th and the process is fully online. Please take note of the following issues I aim to assist students with in my eventual incumbency. Number 1. Tests and exams should be scheduled on suitable dates and at a convenient time considering the safety of students and the practicality for BA Law and BCom Law students who are split between two faculties and end up having to write two exams in one day. This has to change. The university should provide exam assignments where it is possible. The second thing is that strong academic support and effective psychiatric services must be provided to students in an easily accessible manner. We have seen during the transition to online learning how this change has prejudiced a certain number of students and some suffering from mental breakdowns due to academic pressure. The assistance we are offered through ClickUp or the Tax Gmail simply is not enough. Students should be able to access psychiatric services or personal consultations with psychologists at any time. The third thing is that detailed lecture slides and study material should be made available to every registered student, more especially those who cannot afford the prescribed textbooks or acquire access to the study material. Your financial or economic background should not hinder your academic progress. The mobile data that UP has been providing during online learning should be made a permanent provision. I think it goes without saying that heading Law House is not about the associated prestige of wearing the blazer or being part of EC. Far from it. Being a member of Law House comes with a huge responsibility of serving the people whom I've been appointed by with dedication, the utmost respect, and humility. I imagine myself being part of an EC in which every member's input is valued. One person's idea in one way or the other must be put to use sooner or later. Differing opinions does not necessarily mean that there is conflict. This must actually be embraced because the outcome of everything that we will be working on as a group would essentially be the final product of everyone's thinking. It is important to understand that no person possesses a fitting answer or perfect solution for every problem. It is with this understanding that every viewpoint that differs must be harnessed to achieving the best results. Exigencies, or in other words, urgent situations that may require my immediate attention will unavoidably arise. In such a situation, it is my responsibility to ensure that the right matters take priority and that I adopt the most prudent approach by always considering that I am not acting in my personal interests, but I am acting on behalf of other members of the law faculty. Finally, soft skills and people skills are very important in this role as I will be working with a team and not as an individual. Knowing how to handle disagreement without showing emotion or taking things personal is very important as this demonstrates emotional intelligence, a great level of maturity and thinking. I am not one to isolate myself or withdraw in situations where I am not supported. I make it a point that I agree with the prevailing idea at the time and that everyone else in the team works towards the common goal of the team. I am a team player. This brings me to the end of the presentation. I thank you for your time and I encourage you to vote for me. I look forward to seeing you back on campus soon. Thank you.